Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're focusing on a crucial health topic: how to stop prediabetes from turning into type 2 diabetes. This is a vital conversation as prediabetes is a common health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Understanding prediabetes, its risk factors, and how to manage it can help prevent it from progressing to full-blown diabetes. So come on and join us as we shed some light into this very important subject. What is prediabetes? Prediabetes is a condition where blood glucose levels are higher than normal but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. It is often a precursor to type 2 diabetes, and without intervention, many people with prediabetes will develop diabetes within a few years. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic condition characterized by high blood glucose levels due to insufficient insulin production or ineffective insulin usage. Type 2 diabetes, the most common form, can lead to serious complications such as heart disease, kidney failure, and vision loss if not properly managed. Insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when your body's cells do not respond effectively to insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. This resistance can lead to higher blood glucose levels and increase the risk of developing prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. Prediabetes risk factors. Several risk factors increase the likelihood of developing prediabetes. Obesity. Excess body weight, particularly around the abdomen, raises the risk. Age. Risk increases with age, particularly after age 45. Family history. Having a family history of diabetes increases your risk of developing it. Physical inactivity. A sedentary lifestyle contributes to insulin resistance. Race and ethnicity. Certain racial and ethnic groups have a higher risk. Other conditions. Conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and sleep apnea can also increase the risk. Prediabetes signs and symptoms. Prediabetes often has no obvious symptoms, making it challenging to detect without testing. However, some people may experience increased thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, blurred vision, slow-healing sores, the diabetes signs and symptoms. In contrast, type 2 diabetes can present with more noticeable symptoms, including increased thirst and hunger at all moments, frequent urination, mostly at night during sleep time, massive fatigue, blurred vision and noticeable eye deterioration, dramatically slowed healing wounds, numbness, tingling, or pain in hands and feet. Prediabetes diagnosis. Prediabetes is diagnosed through blood tests that measure your blood glucose levels. The most common tests include fasting blood glucose test, measures blood sugar levels after fasting overnight. Oral glucose tolerance test, OGTT, measures how your body handles glucose after drinking a sugary solution. Hemoglobin A1C test, measures your average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months. Diabetes diagnosis. A diagnosis of diabetes is based on similar tests, with blood glucose levels in a higher range. An A1C level of 6.5% or higher, fasting blood glucose of 126 mg per deciliter or higher, or an OGTT reading of 200 mg per deciliter or higher indicate diabetes. Prevention. Preventing prediabetes from progressing to type 2 diabetes involves making lifestyle changes, including maintaining a healthy weight. Losing even a small amount of weight can significantly reduce your risk. Eating a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Staying physically active. Regular exercise can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage weight. Managing stress. Chronic stress can affect blood glucose levels, so it's important to find ways to relax and unwind. How to stop prediabetes from turning into type 2 diabetes and reversing prediabetes. There are several effective strategies to stop prediabetes from progressing to type 2 diabetes and even reverse prediabetes. Weight management. Losing weight, especially around the waist, can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Healthy eating. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, low-sugar fruits, high-quality lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid sugary and processed foods. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. This can include walking, cycling, swimming, or other activities you enjoy. Monitor your blood sugar. Regular monitoring can help you understand how your body responds to different foods and activities. Manage stress. as chronic stress can elevate blood sugar levels. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help regulate blood sugar levels. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night, as poor sleep can affect insulin sensitivity. How does stress affect prediabetes? Stress can impact your blood glucose levels and overall health. Chronic stress triggers the release of hormones like cortisol that can release glucose from the liver and increase insulin resistance. Incorporating stress management techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Exercise and healthy diet. Regular physical activity is key to managing and reversing prediabetes. Exercise and muscle mass improve insulin sensitivity and help to maintain a healthy weight. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. A healthy diet plays a significant role in controlling prediabetes. Focus on nutrient-dense foods such as grass-fed grass, finished lean proteins, low-sugar fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Limit refined carbohydrates, added sugars, and processed foods. Carbohydrate counting and how to do it properly. Carbohydrate counting is a useful strategy for managing blood glucose levels, particularly for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Here's how to do it properly. Identify carbohydrate sources. Carbohydrates are found in grains, fruits, vegetables, dairy, and sugars. Read labels. Check food labels for total carbohydrates per serving. Measure portions. Use measuring cups or a food scale to accurately measure portions. Track intake. Keep a food diary to monitor your daily carbohydrate intake. Consult a doctor. A registered doctor specialized in nutrition can help create a personalized carbohydrate plan that fits your needs. Glucose monitoring. Monitoring blood glucose levels regularly is essential for those with prediabetes or diabetes. Home glucose monitors allow you to track your blood sugar levels and understand how different foods, activities, and stressors impact your glucose. Alcohol consumption. This is a common question. Alcohol can affect blood glucose levels and increase the risk of hypoglycemia. Avoid alcohol, and if you choose to drink, do so in moderation, and always pair alcohol with low-carb foods to help stabilize blood sugar levels. But the best thing to do is to totally avoid it. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, prediabetes is a significant health concern that affects millions of people worldwide, as it is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Understanding prediabetes and taking steps to prevent its progression to full-blown diabetes is crucial for maintaining optimal health. Let's summarize the key points discussed in today's video. Prediabetes and diabetes. Prediabetes is a condition where blood glucose levels are elevated but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. Without intervention, prediabetes often progresses to type 2 diabetes, which can lead to severe complications such as heart disease, kidney failure, and vision loss. Insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a common underlying factor in prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. It occurs when cells in the body don't respond effectively to insulin, leading to higher blood glucose levels. Risk factors. Risk factors for prediabetes include obesity, physical inactivity, family history, age, especially over age 45, and certain racial and ethnic backgrounds. Other conditions like high blood pressure and high cholesterol also increase the risk. Symptoms. Prediabetes may not present obvious symptoms, making it challenging to detect without testing. Symptoms of diabetes, however, include increased thirst and hunger, frequent urination, fatigue, blurred vision, slow healing sores, and numbness or tingling in extremities. Diagnosis. Prediabetes is diagnosed using blood tests like fasting blood glucose, oral glucose tolerance tests, and hemoglobin A1C tests. Diabetes is diagnosed when blood glucose levels are in higher ranges on these same tests. Prevention and reversal. Stopping prediabetes from progressing to type 2 diabetes involves making lifestyle changes such as maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, and engaging in regular exercise. Weight management, healthy eating, regular exercise, and stress management play a crucial role in reversing prediabetes. Stress management. Managing stress is essential as chronic stress can elevate blood glucose levels. Techniques like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help control stress. Exercise and healthy diet. Regular exercise improves insulin sensitivity and helps manage weight, while a healthy diet that emphasizes whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables helps control blood sugar levels. Carbohydrate counting. Properly counting carbohydrates can help manage blood glucose levels, especially for those with diabetes or prediabetes. It involves identifying sources of carbohydrates, reading labels, measuring portions, and tracking intake. Glucose monitoring. Regular glucose monitoring allows individuals to track their blood sugar levels and understand how different foods and activities impact glucose levels. Avoid alcohol can affect blood glucose levels and increase the risk of hypoglycemia. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. The good news is that prediabetes can be effectively managed and even reversed through lifestyle changes, including healthy eating, regular exercise, stress management, and proper glucose monitoring. By taking proactive measures, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of developing type 2 diabetes and improve their overall health and well-being. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.